Hey there. Welcome back to I'm Pretty Sure I Could Fix That. Today, it should be a quick one. I'm looking to show you how to change your Industry Edition version of QuickBooks. Let's say maybe you set up your QuickBooks wrong, you accidentally used manufacturing and wholesale, and maybe you should have used professional services. Essentially, you selected the wrong industry, or you just want to see what the other type of industry editions in QuickBooks have for features and uses. This will show you how to quickly toggle and change your edition. Just a heads up, you should not be doing this in your live server to play around. Definitely make a test server, which you can use my link below for how to set up a test server. But this is pretty easy. All you got to do is we are going to go to our top navigation. We're going to go to Help. We will go to Manage My License. And then we will go to Change to a different industry edition. So here are the different possible industry editions that you can use in QuickBooks Desktop. Each one is basically custom made for this quote unquote type of industry. I am currently in manufacturing and wholesale, but let's say for whatever reason I was like, you know what, I really should be a contractor. Well, I'm going to go ahead and select it, hit next, hit finish. Also, if you are doing this for your whole company, you will need to do this for each individual instance. So every computer that you have QuickBooks on, you will need to make this update. So then I'll hit finish. Now I'm just going to let it close, and it's going to take a little bit to load. So I'm just going to let it run in the background just so you can see how long it typically takes. It's not a ton of time, but it's still not an insurmountable amount of time, right? So, I would definitely find if you have something else to do for the 5 minutes that it'll take. No, I don't want to update it. So now it pops back up with me wanting to come back into QuickBooks. And if you see here, you can see that I changed to the Contractor 24.0 edition. Now I'm going to jump back in. And I'm just logging in, and now we can see I have my Contractor edition with all the Contractor features. So it's super easy, super quick. It's something I'd recommend doing in a test server just to play around and see what is all the functionalities of QuickBooks. So, but you want to know something? Actually, I don't need Contractor edition. I actually need manufacturing and wholesale. So once more, to flip back, it's just as easy. Change to a different industry edition, back to manufacturing and wholesale. So then it'll go through that exact same process, and I'll be right back to where I was. So pretty easy, but just a useful tool for if you do need to switch your industry edition or you just want to play around in a test server. All right, hope this one helps. Bye, guys.